Hello, my friends. Showing is an Imagine ink. Imagine ink is a no mess marker for coloring, and it's not just coloring because I discovered that it also has games. It does say on the front, but in the inside, let me take my marker out. In the inside, there is actually a lot of games. So I'm going to show you the front, show you the back, and you know I'm a Bluey fan, so that's why I bought the Bluey one. This is the front. This is the page that I colored. When you color it, it is kind of light, but with the marker, you can actually color over, and it's slightly darker, not super dark, but it's slightly darker. So the colors are not as bright. All right, so just letting you know that, but it's a no mess marker, which is really good for parents, especially if you're driving around and doing things. Some of the games require you to read information, find the answer, and when you color, there's a balloon with the answer there. It does say 3 years and up. The 3-year-olds, unless they read a little bit, they will need help from a parent or maybe an older sibling or someone that's in the car with them or visiting. So these are like what the pages look like. And yes, there is games there, which is pretty good. Some of them require you to count. Some of them require you to find answers and read information. So a little bit of literature right there and reading. But again, no mess marker. Imagine Ink is the brand, and you do have them in other characters, not just Bluey. You can find other characters. I saw these in Houston, Texas, which we were there. Also saw them in Florida as well. And when you look up online, Amazon has them as well. The cost, $5.29 on sale. They do range higher and lower because sometimes they come in bundles. But if you find them, it's the range of $5.29-ish, $5.99-ish. So you know. All right, that's all, folks. See you soon.